Okay? See, my biggest problem right now, guys, is that it's raining, and I have the top down in my Huracan Evo Spider right now. Just landed in LA. But yeah, you know, the problem isn't I'm gonna have to go to a 9-to-5 job right now. The problem isn't, you know, that I gotta go and do some shit for some boss that I don't wanna have. My problem is that I'm driving with the top down in fucking Los Angeles. It's about 50 degrees outside and it's raining. But what are problems, you know? What are problems, really? All right, yeah, you can.